The JF-17 Thunder was developed to meet a very specific requirement: a modern, multi-role fighter that is affordable, easy to maintain, and capable of replacing older aircraft fleets. Its design philosophy prioritizes simplicity, modular upgrades, and cost efficiency. This makes it suitable for nations that require credible air defense and strike capability without the financial burden of heavy fighters. Rafale follows a very different path. It was designed as an omni-role combat aircraft, meaning it can perform air superiority, deep strike, reconnaissance, maritime attack, and strategic deterrence missions within a single platform. Its airframe, materials, and systems emphasize survivability, payload flexibility, and operations in highly contested airspace. In simple terms, JF-17 focuses on doing essential missions well at lower cost, while Rafale focuses on maximum capability across a wide range of complex combat scenarios. These differences are intentional, not weaknesses. The JF-17, particularly in its newer variants, has seen major improvements in avionics. It supports modern glass cockpits, data links, helmet-mounted displays, and AESA radar options, bringing it closer to contemporary standards. While its sensor fusion is less complex than Rafale's, it remains effective for its intended mission set. The key difference lies in depth, not presence. Rafale offers a more integrated and mature sensor ecosystem, while JF-17 delivers essential situational awareness at a significantly lower cost, aligning with its design philosophy. Both aircraft are capable of beyond visual range air combat and precision ground attack, but their approach differs. Rafale can carry a larger payload, operate at longer combat ranges, and integrate a wide variety of Western weapons. This makes it suitable for sustained strike missions and complex joint operations. The JF-17 supports modern air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions and is designed for rapid sortie generation. Its lighter weight and simpler logistics allow faster turnaround times, which is valuable in high-tempo defensive operations. Performance figures alone do not define effectiveness. Rafale's advantages lie in payload, endurance, and survivability, while JF-17 emphasizes operational efficiency and flexibility. Both aircraft meet their respective operational goals without trying to be something they were never designed to be. Cost is where the difference becomes most visible. Its design supports local maintenance, easier upgrades, and lower lifecycle costs. Rafale represents a high-investment platform. Its advanced systems, materials, and capabilities come with higher procurement and operating costs. In return, it delivers a broader mission envelope and higher survivability in advanced threat environments. From a strategic perspective, neither approach is superior by default.